This is Windows 11 Professional. Right click on the desktop, then go to View, then we have the icons and the show desktop icons. So first of all, let us show the desktop icons. So here I got the desktop icons. Right click, View, do not show, click. What should be the size of these icons? Right click, View, large icons, that means the size will be large, and just like that, small and medium you can do. So afterwards we have auto arrange icons. As you can see now, these are not arranged properly. Right click, View, then auto arrange. So it has been automatically arranged. So now click and drag. You are unable to drag now. So right click, View, again auto arrange icon, let us take it off. Now you can do it. You can place the icons anywhere. So this is the auto arrange icons option. Next, align icons to grid. Grid is you can say the monitor display is divided into small rectangles, and these icons are arranged within those rectangles. So how? As you can see, align icons to grid. Let us take it off. Now let us take 4 icons. As you can see, these are not arranged in a vertical line. So right click, View, and align icons to grid. As you can see, now they are in a vertical line. Next one we have sort. This is a very much important option. So guys, as you can also group the 9 as you can see, and the second group is A to 5, the last them by name. These are the downloads. As you can see, according the numbers are shown according to right click the names, the alphabets. These are grouped by. Then so we need to group them by their dates, so that we can you can also sort them so that we can see names, the latest downloads. Right click. You can also group. You can use group by, or you can use them by date modified. So let us use by name. Let us go to date modified. As you can see, the numbers as you here and A to earlier this week. That means the downloads as you can from see this week are shown here, shown according to the names, the alphabets. So we need to group them by their dates so that we can see the latest downloads. Right click. You can use group by, or you can use sort by. So let us use group by date modified. So as you can see here, earlier this week, that means the downloads from this week are shown here, and the downloads that I did last week, those are shown here, and so on. You can also do it like right click, sort by date modified. The item type here, the type of the item. First of all, it is showing folders, all the folders, then PDF documents, and so on. So size is how much MB the sum file is. This is the largest file, 10.6 MB. This is less than that, and this is showing in the descending. Then we have refresh. So refresh means refreshing your computer. Some icon or something is not showing, you can use this option. So next we have paste, undo, you can see from there. Next one we have, you need not to do these graphics. These are already set. Going here is a very time consuming task, so we need to do with a shortcut. How to do that? So what is the path? The path is this PC, then C, Windows, System 32, drivers and etc. So we need to copy and paste this path inside the shortcut. How? So let us do that now. So right click on the desktop, then new, then shortcut. So we need to take this path. How? So click here and Control C to copy. Control C. Now go back to our shortcut, Control V in here. Now this has pasted the shortcut, and next, now here we can type any name, for example etc folder, then click finish. So now here we have the shortcut. So now if you want to go to that host file, you need to just double click on this folder and you are directly on that host file. Okay, so next option is new. We have different kinds of files in here. For example, you can make notepad file. Click on the text document. This will create a rename this file as a sample notepad. Now you can double click to open and you can type something and you can close and then save. So this way you can create many other kinds of files. We will be discussing these kinds of files in our upcoming videos. For example, MS Word file, MS Excel file, PowerPoint, Access, all these files. Next one we have display settings. Click on display settings. First option we have night light settings. So it is to protect our eyes from the blue light that is coming from our screen. Turn on now. Click on this button. As you can see, the color has changed from blue to yellow. So because the yellow color is good for our eyes, you can adjust the color according to your need. I think this is good. So a subtle yellow color will be good for your eyes. So it will protect our eyes from the intense light that is coming from our monitor screen. Next we have scale and layout. It is to change the size of the text. As you can see 125. So it has changed the size, it has increased the size. Recommended is 100%. You can choose according to your choice. Next one, display resolution. It means the number of pixels that are present on our screen. Like here 1366 from left to the right and 768 from the top to the bottom, and the total number of pixels on this screen you can calculate using the calculator. 1366 into 768. So these are the number of pixels that are present on our screen. So higher the number of the pixels, more the screen clarity is. So the question is, what are these pixels? So a pixel is, you can take it as a LED, one LED. Is the more the number of LEDs, more will be the clarity of your screen. Okay, so we need to set this on the recommended setting. If you try to minimize or maximize this value, this will not be a good display for your screen. For example, and as you can see, the screen size is very less now according to the resolution, or resolution means the clarity of the screen. So let us set it on the recommended. Next we have display orientation. We can rotate our screen in the 4 directions. What is the shortcut? Shortcut is Alt, Control and arrow keys. So for example, Alt, Control and then right arrow key. So my screen has turned to the right side. Now the below, this is upside down, this is okay, this is left. So this way you can orient your screen in any way. Next option we have personalize. First of all, background. That means our computer's background picture. Here you can select any picture. As you can see, it is changing. You can also select the picture from computer by browsing the computer. So browse, then you can select any picture like this one. Click, choose picture. As you can see, now picture has changed. So apart from picture, you can also select solid color as a background. You can select any of the color. Then slideshow. Slideshow means the folder is pictures folder and the timer is 1 minute. That means all the pictures that are present in pictures folder, they will show up in here every minute. You can also change the folder. You can put your own photos in some folder and then you can select that folder and it will show the slideshow. Every 1 minute it will change the picture. So this is about the slideshow. So I will do it on picture. So afterwards we have colors. What colors? Like here you can see the color is blue. You can change this color from here. For example, I'm making it green. So now you can see the color is green here. You can take it as a theme color. Next one we have lock screen. What is lock screen? Lock screen is when we lock our computer. Click and then click over the user, then click lock. So this is our lock screen, as you can see. So click here, then enter the password. Okay, so at lock screen we have this picture. You can change the picture at the lock screen. For example, I want to make it this picture. Okay, or you can also do slideshow. You can also do Windows Spotlight. What is Windows Spotlight? That means Windows 11 or Windows 10 that will download the wallpapers from the internet and it will automatically apply that wallpaper over here. Okay, so you can also use Windows Spotlight. So I will use picture in here and then try locking it again. You will see this picture. Click on the user, then lock. As you can see, the picture has been changed. Afterwards we have screen saver. So screen saver timeout settings and screen saver settings. Let us go to screen saver settings. So what is screen saver? For example, I am choosing bubbles. Okay, so this is the timer here is 1 minute. If you leave the computer idle for 1 minute, these bubbles will be shown in here. As you can see, let us take a preview. Click on preview. So this is screensaver. You can also apply other screensavers like photos, ribbons, Mystify. You can play around with them, or you can also apply 3D text. So 3D text, you can put your desired text from here. For example, Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so let us take the preview. This is the preview, Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so this is about screensaver. Now I will delete the screensaver. You will select none if you want to remove the screensaver. Apply. Okay, so I think we are done with the topics for today.